looking through my yumbers today, and I noticed this one didn't have any bands. This is one of mine. Somebody must have caught this guy and cut off the band on it. So now he's kind of no use for me, but it's a hand. It's a really nice one. That sucks. People shouldn't be cutting bands. But we got a guy that's gonna come pick up that bird, so we're gonna donate it to some other people. The young birds here, they're all looking good, healthy, flying for a very long time. Took them out 40 miles so far. I was planning to go 80 today, but it rained in the morning, so we'll wait for tomorrow. All the young birds. 2 white ones right there. Grizzles. All the young birds are still very young. There. Got 2 silvers back here. 2 silver right here. Got a bunch down here too. They're looking really good. Slate. A slate here, a slate right there. We got a lot of slate this year. Slate right there too. That's it.